Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 C300 4MATIC. This one's a polar white. Underneath the hood's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with 17-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. Front and rear LED daytime running lights. Silk beige MB Tex interior. Pano sunroof. Come around back. C300 4MATIC badging. Set of all-season and regular floor mats. Come alongside. This one does come with the Premium 2 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist. Burmeister sound system. Burl walnut wood trim. Heated seats, memory seats, power windows. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, navigation, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for media display, cup holders, our turn wheel for an infotainment center, dynamic select for different driving patterns. This C-Class has 32,581 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC, check out feldmannimports.com.